Now, we can predict how it'll score on some tests. What we're really interested in, which gets to the latter part of your question, is can we predict the qualitative new things, just the new capabilities that didn't exist at all in GPT-4 that do exist in future versions like GPT-5. That seems important to figure out. But right now we can say, here's how we predict it'll do on this eval or this metric.
Just this past week, there was huge news to come out of OpenAI that is setting the stage for what we can expect to see with the future of artificial intelligence. A trademark was filed by the company for their highly anticipated ChatGPT 5, and it has the industry buzzing. This is the first time we may now get a glimpse into the features we may soon see when GPT-5 is released. The question everyone is asking is whether GPT-5 will achieve artificial general intelligence. In this video, we are going to cover the 7 features of the trademark that was filed and what this could mean for the future of ChatGPT, and more broadly, the progression of artificial intelligence. But before we do, each week the AI Nexus sends out a weekly update video covering the week's top AI headlines. Subscribe now so you don't miss a single one. Now, let's dive right in. The first feature disclosed is around natural language processing. As we know, GPT-4 and many of the predecessor versions already include this. We expect ChatGPT-5 to bring a game-changing ability to understand, generate, and analyze human language. It will comprehend complex sentences, context, and even emotions. For instance, imagine a customer service scenario where ChatGPT-5 can process user queries effortlessly, providing tailored responses that resonate on a personal level. Its understanding of nuance enables it to generate creative content, from poetry to news articles, perfectly tailored to the audience's needs. The second feature disclosed in the filing is machine-based language and speech processing. Again, not new to the GPT releases we've seen thus far, but no doubt GPT-5 will take this even further. Equipped with machine learning prowess, GPT-5 will process and interpret speech, breaking language barriers effortlessly. A strong use case for the technology could be in an international conference setting. It will live translate conversations in real time, fostering seamless communication among attendees from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Beyond language, ChatGPT-5's speech processing capabilities can empower voice-controlled assistants to become more intuitive and accurate in understanding user commands. The third release disclosure was around software for sharing datasets, speculating ChatGPT-5's ability to share datasets for machine learning and predictive analytics. Researchers and developers will be able to collaborate, access, and contribute to a vast pool of knowledge, accelerating the growth of AI applications. This means faster advancements in various fields, such as medical diagnosis, as shared datasets lead to more comprehensive and accurate AI models. The fourth disclosed feature was for an algorithm that analyzes, classifies, and takes action in response to data exposure. Now, let that sink in a bit. Sure, we've got incredible technology on the horizon, such as AutoGPT, which boasts its autonomous capabilities. But what we're seeing in the disclosure is a step up from this. ChatGPT-5's algorithms will learn, analyze, and take actions in response to data, and then act. Out of all the features disclosed thus far, this screams AGI to me. Imagine a financial institution relying on ChatGPT-5 to detect potential fraud in real time. As the AI detects suspicious patterns, it automatically takes appropriate actions, safeguarding customers' assets and enhancing overall cybersecurity. This will be one feature to watch. The fifth feature released pertains to taking audio data files and converting them to text. With the ability to convert audio data files into text, ChatGPT-5 revolutionizes transcription services. Content creators, journalists, and professionals can now effortlessly transcribe interviews, podcasts, and lectures. This feature saves time, boosts productivity, and opens up possibilities for new applications like real-time closed captioning for live events. Sixth on the list of disclosed features is voice and speech recognition. ChatGPT-5's top-notch voice and speech recognition capabilities make it the ideal personal assistant. Interacting with your AI companion becomes more intuitive than ever before as it understands your voice commands accurately. From setting reminders to managing your schedule, ChatGPT-5 becomes an indispensable part of your daily life. We know OpenAI is hyper-focused on this aspect of their technology, as it's been mentioned many times over. Seeing this explicitly included in the GPT-5 features, while expected, is going to bring infinite possibilities. Finally, ChatGPT-5 will empower developers to create and analyze algorithms with unparalleled efficiency. They disclosed features surrounding the development, analysis, and performance of algorithms. From data scientists to software engineers, they can rely on ChatGPT-5's assistance in optimizing and fine-tuning algorithms, unleashing the true potential of AI technology across various industries. We've seen this in a few other features discussed here already, but we can only speculate that GPT-5 will have an uncanny ability to conduct an iterative process that will continually build on each output it generates to grow and improve. Will GPT-5 be the first AI technology that achieves the coveted status of AGI? At this stage, we don't know for sure. However, the features being disclosed sure seem as if that is what OpenAI is striving for with the release. That's quite the lofty goal from what we are currently seeing with GPT-4. The speculation that we won't see GPT-5 until years from now is already swirling around out there. But if AGI is achievable with this release, then it could take years before they are completed, and the safety measures that would certainly be needed have been adequately tested. One thing is for sure, we are only in the infancy stages of AI, and what's next to come is going to be groundbreaking. And finally, don't think OpenAI is the only one striving for groundbreaking AI breakthroughs. If you haven't seen what Elon Musk is cooking up with xAI, you need to see this.